Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have Android Studio open. Make sure Gradle finished syncing so resources load correctly. First, navigate the project view to app/src/main/res/layout or values and locate the XML you want to open. If the file lives outside the project, copy it into the appropriate res subfolder because Android relies on resource paths and names. Placing it in the wrong folder breaks references. Once done, refresh the project pane or press sync to ensure Android Studio recognizes the new file and its resource ID. You can now open the XML by double-clicking it. Use Design, Code, or Split View to see structure and rendering simultaneously. Once open, inspect the root tag, namespaces, and any at string or at color references so you avoid broken links. Use the Attributes panel to tweak properties visually and change the device or API preview to validate layout behavior across sizes. If the layout uses custom views, make sure the fully qualified class name resolves. Otherwise, Android Studio will show rendering errors in the preview. You should make your edits directly in the code or via the Attributes panel and save changes immediately so the editor updates resource indices. Once saved, rebuild the project to regenerate R. Java and resolve any missing ID errors. Rebuilding also clears many preview hiccups. If the preview still fails, inspect XML for typos, incorrect resource names, or invalid attributes, and confirm custom view classes have proper constructors. Resolving those usually fixes rendering problems. Finally, restart Android Studio only if issues persist after cleaning and rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.